I know that a lot of you are excited about the developments when it comes to AI, but unlike you, the CEO of Procreate is not really happy about the development of this generative AI. So James Cuda, so he's saying that Procreate is not going to incorporate generative AI in their iPad illustration apps. So according to him, he feels that generative AI is ripping the humanity out of things. He has announced that Procreate will not incorporate generative AI into its popular iPad illustration app. So the decision comes after an ongoing backlash by some parts of the art community. So according to him, generative AI is ripping off humanity. He says that they are taking all the creative things humans can do, and now people are dependent so much on it. So in his upcoming Procreate iPad illustration, he's not going to incorporate any AI feature into it. Do stay and stick with me on this tech channel because I'll be bringing you more updates in the world of tech. Also remember to like, comment, and subscribe.